Okay, so now that we understand theoretically how to bounce a pool ball off a wall so that it hits another ball on a coordinate plane, we're going to try it on a blank paper and using constructions to do so this time. If you're not sure how to do reflections in general, I recommend watching the video I posted where I do the same pool table problem but on graph paper. But now we have constructions, so I wouldn't be able to easily figure out the reflection of point A on the other side of the side I'm trying to bounce off of very easily. So we're going to construct it. And to start, I am going to figure out a way to draw a line through point A and the bottom side of the table so that I know I make a perpendicular, lines. And for those of you that remember how to construct perpendicular bisectors, this is what you need to do. And this isn't just one where I just pick a segment anywhere and then draw a perpendicular bisector. This is one where I have to draw a perpendicular bisector with a point off of the segment I have. So what I'm going to need to do is to take the point A as my center and construct two curves so that I can make a segment. And now that I have this segment to work off of, I'm going to use this to construct a perpendicular bisector. Draw that long line through. Obviously, I'm going to have to cut it off at some point, but for now, let's just make it super long. And I'm going to erase all my old work so that you can see what I'm up to by constructing this perpendicular bisector. So, I know that the reflection of point A on the other side will have to be equidistant to the line of reflection as point A is right now. So what I'm going to do is capture that distance. And then draw an arc around. So that now that I'm here, I know that this distance is congruent to this distance, so that this is the reflection of point A, and we can call this A prime for now. Then I can get rid of everything else. With transformations, you're usually drawing so many diagrams that it's usually beneficial to actually erase everything you've already drawn. And from here on out, we finish this problem like we finished the graph problem. I'm going to take A prime and connect it to point B and recognize that this is the point I need to bounce off of. So then from my trajectory from point A to the wall will be from those 2 points. Once again, the two angles, the two of the three angles that are on the side that are created here will be congruent to each other. And that is how we find the point to bounce off of on a pool table to get from point A to point B.